This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Disk Cleanup right away. Don't waste time. Press Windows plus W, type Disk Cleanup, right-click and choose Run as Administrator so you remove protected files too. Once launched, pick the drive you want cleaned, usually C, and click OK. The tool will scan for temporary files, recycle bin contents, thumbnails, and more. This scan determines what you can safely remove. Make sure to wait until the initial analysis finishes before moving to the next step. Now focus on selecting items and understanding why they free space. Click Cleanup System Files to reveal Windows Update Cleanup and previous Windows installations, which can reclaim gigabytes. Check temporary files, thumbnails, and recycle bin, but review sizes and uncheck anything you might need. Once done, click OK and then delete files to start removal. The tool removes files safely. If prompted about administrator approval, confirm. Make sure to monitor progress, since large cleanups can take several minutes. Finish by emptying the recycle bin and restarting Windows so temporary locks release and space updates. After reboot, run optimized drives for HDDs or trim for SSDs to consolidate free space. If disk cleanup won't complete or shows errors, run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano to repair system files, and ensure the volume shadow copy service is running. These fixes resolve many issues. If you still see little space freed, repeat cleanup for system files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.